Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate your Bank of America debit card. You can activate your Bank of America debit card by visiting any Bank of America ATM and insert your debit card and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also go ahead and log into your Bank of America online banking account and activate your debit card from there as well. To do it online, open up a web browser and type in bankofamerica.com and search. Once you end up in the official site for Bank of America, go ahead and get to the login area and enter your user ID and password associated with your online banking account. Start off by entering your user ID and enter your password on the next field. If you need help remembering your password or your ID, you can get help by clicking on Forgot ID/password and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in your details, click on the login button, and after you are logged into your account, navigate to the debit card or the card service section and look for an option to activate your card and follow the prompts provided. And that is how you should be able to activate your Bank of America debit card online in just few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.